Captain Joe here at Island Marine Charters Fish Bump TV. Welcome to the channel. Today we are not in the boat shop. I got my brother. Hey Marky Mark. What's going on, my man? We got a crew out here on the boat. Beautiful Gulf Coast sunrise happening. We are heading offshore today. We are fishing king mackerel, maybe a tarpon, maybe some red snapper. You don't ever know. I know everybody's been real curious. See how the 29 does in real world fishing conditions. Yes, sir. Got a big incoming tide today. We'll let it run along about 16, 17 knots. Just keep that bow up a little bit. Very nice. Staying dry. Man, oh man. Flat. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's one of the best parts of my job. You guys get out here and get to see a beautiful Gulf Coast sunrise every morning. Just gorgeous. This young man's got a fish on. We got a couple. We got a gaff man here, my brother Marky Mark. Got a fish on the line. Out here doing what this boat was meant to do, folks. This is our style of fishing, near shore, offshore.
Oh, dang.
Yeah,
this thing is powerful.
The screws were kind of stripped from the other day. I can fix it. It's not a big deal.
I don't know if it's video. Not a bass, that's for sure.
Not a bass. That's what we do a lot during the summertime, folks. A lot of trolling near shore, king mackerel, Spanish mackerel. Red snapper might be on the menu today. Jack Cavallia's tarpon, who knows? Yeah, we're in fishing mode right now though. This boat is at work. I see color, it's a big old red snapper. Landing that, Mark, it's a big red snapper. Landing that. It's right there. Nice.
Oh,
here, get the, let me get him, Mark. Let me get him, Mark. Easy. Back up, little man.
oh my god! Oh my god!
Where's the camera, Mark? You got the camera? Cool! Jeez Louise, dude. We just caught a monster. A monster red snapper. Yeah, we can keep it today. We're in red snapper season, man. What do you think, guys?
That was crazy.
Wow. I told you it was acting. I knew that fish was acting odd. That was on lighter tackle, too. Dang, that's a big fish. There's my hand. What a stud. Look at this, guys. Got a shark sucker remora. He's got a disc on his head. You guys want to feel that disc on his head?
That was scary.
Here, that's okay. I won't do it again. Here. Does it feel weird? Does it feel weird? Here, let's see. You want to stick him to your arm?
Oh. Oh. Wait, I want him to stand.
There he is.
Yo.
What is happening, dude?
I want him to stick on me.
Oh,
pooping everywhere?
Look, he's all right, come over here, man.
Mom, did you video me?
Here, you want him on your arm? Here, I'm gonna wet your arm a little bit. Let's see, well, you think he'll stick? What do you think, dude? He's not good, huh? Look. Looks like a tennis shoe.
It like feels like there's like tiny needles in your arm.
Yeah, it's kind of a weird, it almost feels like electric. These guys are actually related to a cobia, believe it or not. They kind of look like a baby cobia, but they got that disc on their head. And they will stick just like that. All right, y'all, we're catching all kind of crazy stuff. Trophy caliber red snapper, big king mackerel, and now old shark sucker. Now, if they stick to something, it's tricky to get them unstuck sometimes. The trick is you got to get your finger kind of under the edge and you can let them go. All right, here we go, man. Let that guy go do his thing. We have a tarpon on, folks. Got chased off by a big rainstorm this morning. Threw a big swim bait at him. Got 3 big jumps already. Sorry we didn't get, it happened fast.
Oh yeah.
Right off the bow, that fish is getting tired. You're doing well. Woo! He's took a little gulp of air. Oh!
I'm gone.
See, dude, if that thunderstorm hadn't ran us off, it's amazing sometimes something that wasn't good. Folks, we started the morning, we were not intending to tarpon fish, and we had a big, nasty lightning and thunderstorm run us away from our original plan. And we ran about 25 miles from where we were fishing, and we were actually on our way back, and I saw this fish breach the surface, went up and made 2 casts. And I actually had a thump on the first cast, presented the bait again, and we got a good solid hookup on this fish. If you can't tell, I'm a little excited. This is a little more exciting than laying fiberglass there in the boat shop. There she goes again. Oh, God. I thought he was going to come around the bow. I thought he was getting close.
Oh, and then he started to take off.
Woo, that's a big fish, dude. How about that, folks? That is a big fish. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at my hand. That's a well over 100 pounds. Can you see this fish? Oh. Look at this, guys. Oh. Is that not a beast? All right, what a beautiful fish. All right, we're gonna revive this thing. What a fish, man. This is why we do it. All right, we're gonna give him just a little more reviving and we're gonna let this fish go. We're running forward with the trolling motor. We're gonna take good care of this fish. Wanna see some fight?
My arms are tired. And I'm assuming his whole body is tired.
What a fish. I love it, man. What a beast. What a beast.
I love that color on him.
I know, isn't he pretty?
Yeah.
What a gorgeous.
Goodbye.
There he is. He's gonna go.
Bye, buddy. Oh, he's going down.
He's gonna go down, he's gonna kick. He's got it, he's going, he's gone, he's gone. We've got a massive fish on. Logan's assisting my man Brody. We were doing a little bit of trolling here and we are bent. We have not seen color yet. Do not know what we're dealing with, but it's big. It's big and it's mean. Just nice and easy. Is he foul hooked a little bit? That's fair hook, just easy, man. Easy. And if he surges, just let him. There he is.
Yeah.
Woo! Dude, that is a big one. Nice job, dude. What, man? Big old mean Jack Crevalle. Dude, let's see my man. How about it, bro?
Yeah.
Nice job, man. That's a grande. Woo, and you gotta watch out for them. They will smack you. These big jacks have a super crazy bony plate right there at the base of their tail that'll thump you for sure. Dang, man, nice job, Brody.
Yeah.
Big old Jack Crevalle. New personal best for you, huh?
100%.
All right, man, we're gonna let that one go, but dude, I'm giving you the thumbs up. Nice job.
Thanks.
Check it out, crew. Captain Joe here with Island Marine Charters. Check out the size of the snapper. My guys caught 38 inches, well over 20 pounds. Amazing. Congratulations, fellas.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Captain.
We're gonna release. Come on over here, Logan. We're gonna let this big girl go. Now, red snapper are in season during the summer, but it's only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it's I think it's Wednesday. So we can't keep this fish, but y'all, any of y'all watching could come down here and visit with me. If it's during the weekend, during the summer, this is a potential fish that y'all could keep or may catch.
Goodbye, fish.
Goodbye.
Lifetime. Oh,
There she goes. She's right side up. She's swimming down. Dude.
Good. Wow.
Oh my God, Logan. Nice. Guys,
Thank you.
look at the crew here, man. There you go. Good job, guys. All right, crew. Thank y'all for watching the channel. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys next time out.